Fiona.
And I'm Becklin.
And we're doing a book review on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So, Mr. Willy Wonka owns this chocolate factory. And one day he discovers something really remarkable and starts to make chocolate bars that have golden tickets in them. And Charlie, the main character of our book, wants to get a golden ticket because his family is really poor.
There is this chocolate factory in Charlie's town, and the chocolate factory stopped for 10 years. Then it really reopened. Mr. Willy Wonka is selling chocolate bars with golden tickets in them. If you get a golden ticket, you will get to go to the chocolate factory and get a free tour. Will Charlie get the ticket? Well, read the book to find out.